dumb truck. Wayne Morris, Lowell, Mass. Go. Yeah! Fuck lady, Jesus Christ. 6YR131. Oh, it's sounding gargly already. Oh, what the hell, dude? Really? Really, dude? Really? Exit diving scumbag, forcing his way in. Direct to the left lane, Honda. That was a cutoff, Mr. Glass Van. Oh, we're gonna have some road rage here. Who is this glass van? Oh, gee, I can't even read it was going so friggin' fast. Jesus Christ. Yeah, Yield, thank you. What are you doing? Florida. Get out of Princess's way, everybody! She's got places to go! Big asshole pass fail. Zoom! Close to that rifle or what? Hello. Someone there.
That made befuddled drivers to start, but the state is scrapping the old highway exit numbers for new mileage-based signs. For example, Logan Airport, exit 26 on the Mass Pike.
Do you know your time is flat, lady? And you can't get air there? It's not a gas station? Frustration ain't no fun. We love you, just don't get it. Did he just exit? Well, that was exit regret. I think that trailer just exit dove. What are you doing? Is this a pass fail by chance? Oh yes it is. Dowdy little mofo, ain't ya? Little dirtbag. And exit dive. Okay. Point of contention, these signs should say this lane must exit, not exit only. Exit only implies that there's not an on-ramp to get back on the highway. Thank you. Thought I'd share that with you. Go! Dumbass. The thing's got a turbo. Use it. Exit diving turd. There we go. Jesus. Asshole. That wasn't necessary. The lane's not closed. Jesus. That wasn't necessary either, lady. Red light runner. East Boston Neighborhood Health Center. Down the phone. Stop playing with your hair. Jeez. Yeah. Yeah. Pick a lane, yep. That's the lane you want? You sure about that? No? Okay. Yep, yep, Dum 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 dum. Yeah, no. That is possibly the stupidest wing I've seen in years. Oh, Jesus. You should have moved over, dude.
Always happy to fill the tent, and 83% of all salespeople don't even ask you to sell once. Did you know 90% of all?
It's not raining, you can shut off your wiper.
In one game, Saberthorpe got stricken by knee injuries, and he retired before the start of the 1972 season.
Hello.
Touchdowns by a rookie.
Move over, stupids. There's a, emergency vehicle, right, in the breakdown lane. Slow down, move over. Slow down, move over. You're neither slowing down nor moving over. Plenty of warning for this, stupid. Yep. You are an idiot. There's a stop sign. Over distance. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Take the back of my car off. Thank you. Terribly sorry for holding you up by doing excess of the speed limit. Of course. Of course. There. We're in the red! You can stay it up! fun going down. Could you wait 2 seconds, dude? Yeah. Oh, not close there. Too close to that BMW. Oh. Helmet law. Where's your helmet? There's your helmet. You're supposed to have your helmets on, stupid. The cop, I'm gonna need one. Oh, there you go. Thank you. What, my head? What? Huh? What? What? A head? What? I don't understand. What? Okay, that the Honda would be the problem, I guess. What the fuck is he? He just passed in the breakdown lane. Okay. Alright, time to call the cops.
Phone, please say a command.
Call state police.
Calling state police.
Okay. Where's he gonna race off to? Oh. Direct to the left lane, Volkswagen. Power wagon cutting off the Sentra. Cut off the Volkswagen. Thank you. Thank you. Did you just exit that? Wah! Whoa! That's an exit dive. Can you believe that? Golly gosh. And that's an exit dive by a Toyota. Get off my ass! Oh, fuck. Beep at me, motherfucker. I don't know if you heard that, but the Camry beeped at me because he was too close. Toyotas everywhere. Hyundai, move it. And, oh, Audi. Sorry, Volvo. Yeah. I don't like being in the train, bird. Yep, just sat through a green light. Fit whip. Knit fit. It's a knit fit. And rightfully so. Let's roll, let's roll, let's roll, let's roll. Cute jumping creep. Is that the one who just jumped?